Every shop needs tools and little things and gadgets that help your operation run smoothly. Here are 10 of our favorites under $100. I have 2 for you here, magnets on the backs of tape measures. This one is easy. We took the screw out, we put a screw through a donut-shaped magnet there. You can order those on Amazon, very easy. But then this might be something you have in your shop. Name badge magnet here. We just actually slide it under the tape measure clip there, and then it works great. You have tape measures all over your shop that way. Stick them to anything that's metal, and have them anywhere that you might need a tape measure. Another thing we love here at Fire Sprint when we're using chemicals, I hate to aerosol them, spray them into the air, God knows where they're going. The bottles are cheap and they're easy. I get why everybody uses them. We really like these plunger cans though when we can. And so all you do is you take your paper towel and you plunge it, a little or a lot. It gets your paper towel wet and you do whatever you need to do. These are just right plunger cans. You can get them on Amazon, Granger, anywhere. They're not that expensive and they keep stuff from going up into the air. We're here between our 2 Zooms and I got a twofer for you. First of all, our Swiffer dusters. We use these all the time to just clean off material. If there's little bits of plastic, things like that, we use the heck out of them. We really like this extension bolt. Another thing that we do to organize all of our bits and blades, we got one of these little organizers, which you can get anywhere, Home Depot, Menards, whatever. And then we have our blades nicely labeled. We took images of them, so we just actually grabbed the blade images right off the Zoom website and then built or designed stickers for them. Just give us an idea of where everything is. It makes it very easy to understand what we're looking for. Very visual. It's a great thing that the guys built here at Fire Sprint. Large material cart, simplest, cheapest way to do it, under $100. You actually get yourself a pallet. You go to Harbor Freight or something like that, and you get a furniture dolly, take the casters off, put the casters underneath the bottom of the pallet, and then you build a center wall so that we can take large sheets. This is actually our scrap material cart right now, but that's how you build a drywall cart or a cart large enough to hold full 4x8 sheets of signage for under $100. This is Kaizen foam. It is fairly inexpensive, and we actually will just cut it up and use a razor blade to cut out shapes where all your tools go. So here on top of our GraphTex, we've got blades, blade holders. Everything that we need for our GraphTex is right here, including a pen. And you know when it's missing because we've got the black on yellow there to understand when something's missing. It helps everybody put stuff away at the end of the day. It helps me visually see all the tools that I need to get my job done. We love Kaizen foam here at Fire Sprint. 5-inch stretch wrap. Might be an obvious one, but if you don't have a roll of this 5-inch stretch wrap just for kind of holding things together in your shop, I don't know what to tell you. It's inexpensive, it's so handy. It doesn't damage things as you wrap it around it. And then of course, if you're peeling tape off of the roll, get yourself a tape gun. Pretty inexpensive tools to save yourself minutes every time you're packing up a job. All right, tape dispensers, really important. First of all, if you haven't mounted your tape dispenser, do it because it makes it a one-handed operation, right? But beyond that, we had these tape dispensers everywhere, and then we've been switching to these kitchen sticking little plastic tape dispensers, and they come with Velcro or magnets on the back, and you can buy them off of Amazon, stick them anywhere, and then you have access to tape wherever you need it. Sign shops always need tape. I hope you found that list of some of our favorites useful. If you have any ideas of your own, please leave them in the comments below and we'll check them out. Thanks for watching.